If you have personal or sensitive data on your USB drive, you probably don't want just anyone to be able to access it. So in this video, I'll show you a simple way to password protect your USB drive for free. The best part is, it only takes a few steps. So let's get started. First of all, connect your USB drive to your PC. After that, open your favorite web browser and search for USB Lockit. From the search results, open the website that says USB Lockit Password Lock USB Drive. So, this is the official website of the tool that we're going to use. It's very simple to set up, and yeah, it's completely free. Now, to download it, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll see that it's available for both Windows and Android. If you want to use it on Android, you can download it from the Play Store. But for Windows, click on the second button and the download will start. It's a very small tool, so it should download quickly. Once it's downloaded, close your browser and open your Downloads folder. Here is the tool that we just downloaded. Simply copy it from here. Then go to your USB drive and paste the tool inside it. After pasting it, simply open the tool. Now, it will ask you to set up a PIN. Create your PIN here, then confirm it. And then click on Lock. And there you go. Your USB drive is now password protected. Now, simply close the tool. If we go back, you can see that the USB drive is locked and showing 0 bytes of storage. Even if I disconnect the USB drive and connect it again, you can see that it's still locked. And if I try to open it, I can't access the files directly. Now, to access your data, simply open the USB Lockit tool. It will ask for the PIN that you created earlier. If I enter the wrong PIN, it says wrong PIN. But now, I'll enter the correct PIN and press enter. And there you go. We now have access to all the data inside the USB drive. You can open and access your files normally, and the tool works really well without any issues. Now, whenever you want to lock your USB drive again, simply follow the same steps. And that's it. A simple and free way to password protect your USB drive and keep your personal data safe. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video.